Hi, next in my series of Harrier built Harrier kits, this another Matchbox kit. No, it's not. See, I'm making this up as I go along. This is actually the Airfix kit. Okay, right, Rob. This is the Airfix kit. Why I said it was a Matchbox kit, because I did build a Matchbox kit before when I was younger. But this is the Harrier FRS1 Royal Navy version. They changed the radar and they moved the cockpit further up, and this is as an example of one used in the Falkland Islands conflict. We didn't get around to calling it a war because for diplomatic and political reasons, I expect, but Falklands conflict usage proved its worth as a carrier-borne jet, and use against attacking Argentinian aircraft. Shot down a few at the time. Yeah, I remember, I'm old enough to remember the events myself, and all they did is they painted in the white part of the roundels before they got to the area, the zone of the theatre of conflict. Let me see what I've got about this. I've had to repaint some of the white inside because originally I used white gloss, and the old type of Humbrol white gloss goes yellow over time. So I've painted it over again with some satin white, which doesn't go yellow quite as quickly. Not bad though. I put a little bit of, this is back in the days before I had the extra set solutions. I think I put a bit of gloss paint on there to hold the decals down because they started peeling off, because the shape of the intake is quite a bit awkward for the decal to stay on. But other than that, it's as in box. Very simple. Well, it's a simple-ish kit. On this version, this Airfix kit, you get the wing as the one piece, so you don't have to worry about setting the angle of the wings. For Harrier kits, that's often a big issue because you want to make sure the wheels touch the floor at the right angle. Otherwise, it looks a bit silly. Anyway, that's kit 2, the FRS1 Sea Harrier.